Pelip Fake Faces official lyrics video. So naka-upload po yan sa YouTube channel ni Pelip na mayroong 328,000 subscribers. So hindi ko first time magbigay ng reaction video. So siguro mga ilang beses na rin ako nagbigay dito ng reaction kaya nakapag-subscribe na ako. Okay? So hindi pa ako nakapag-like sa video na to pero mamaya automatic like natin ito after natin panoorin. Okay? Meron na po itong 84,706 views, no? 84,706 views sa loob ng 13 oras pa lamang mga repapis, no? At ang maganda rito, number 21 to sa trending para sa musika. Okay? Ayan, so bali mga repapis, in-upload siya kagabi. Kung di nagkakamali, kagabi to. Or tama, kagabi nga, no? Ayan, so bali kung gusto mong panoorin ng dire-diretso to, pumunta ka ng description, nandun yung pinaka-link yan, i-click mo yan para direct na makapunta ka sa official lyrics video niya na to, no? Mapanood mo ng dire-diretso, walang cut this time kasi reaction video, kaya ikakat-cut natin to, okay? So kung gusto mo rin ng gantong klaseng content, syempre wag mong kakalimutang i-like yung video na to, i-subscribe yung channel ko kung bago ka pa lang, click notification bell para ma-update kita kada may lalabas po kung gantong klaseng reaction video. Okay, so wag na nating patagalin, ipinapun natin ang Pelip Fake Faces official lyrics video. Let's go! Brut brut! Pow!
Don't tell me it's wrong, cause it's not. I don't trust nobody, I put up these walls. They just wanna use me until I'm dried up. Fake faces come and go. Nothing's gonna save me. Feels like I'm finally going crazy. I'm out on the run. There's no use in escaping.
Hindi natin may iwasang umindak kasi nga po yung pinakang instrumental na ginamit niya ay talagang nakaka-indak naman talaga, no? Vibes, no? Good vibes.
Finally going crazy. I'm out on the run. There's no use in escaping. One day they love me, then they hate me. I'm never enough. And I try to give what they want from me. This one-sided love is
Slowly killing me. Oh, mga repits, ha. Cut natin, syempre. Yan sa repits, so na-imagine ko dito sa kanta na to, parang ano siya, parang banda. Repits, no? Parang iniisip ko kung may music video to, talagang asamahan siya ng parang banda, no? Background niya yung banda, tapos para siyang vokalista, 'di ba? Since rockstar si Ken, which is si Pelip nga po, ano. Ken pag kasama SB19 group mo, syempre Pelip pag solo, no. Parang nai-imagine ko talaga siya is para siyang banda, no, vocalista ng banda since rockstar nga po si Pelip, no. Tulad natin to.
love is slowly killing me. So don't tell me it's wrong, cause it's not. I don't trust nobody, I put up these walls. They just
Repa Pits, headbangs. Ang galing.
use me until I'm dried up. Fake faces come and go. And I don't know where I should go. Cause I got no place to go. A home, fake faces
Come and go.
they gon' take all that you.
Repa Pits, tingnan natin kung sino nag-produce, sino producer nung instrumental nito mga Repa Pits. So, ayan, Fake Faces by Pelip, producer Warner Music Philippines mga Repa Pits, no? Warner Music Philippines. Creative director, wow, si mismong si Pelip ang pinakang director, Repa Pits, no? Since ginawa niya lang naman dito isa parang naglakad-lakad lang siya rito, no? Sa isang lugar kung saan disyerto, mga Repa Pits, no? Creative producer Bea Charlene Lainio. Art director. Ayan, so mga cut ko lang Repa Pits, ayan, BST behind the scene biography. Alright, so ang daming shoutout dito mga Repa Pits, no? Alright, so tuloy natin ito yung pinaka video. Let's go!
God, I got something that they want. Wide awake because these thoughts always keep me up. Run away from all the hate, disappear without a trace. They gon' miss me when I'm gone, I'll keep moving on. I try to give what they want from me. Just one-sided love is slowly killing me.
Oh, mga Repa Pits, actually kasi napakinggan ko na to dun sa live reaction video ko, no? So, binigyan ko siya ng live reaction video kanina lang po. Since ni-request to ng isa dun sa nag-send sa nagpakulay ng aking live kanina, no, live reaction, si Ma'am Joyce, no. Kaya ako napakinggan to. Kaya ako nagawan siya ng reaction video sa aking regular upload, no. Kaya yun nga. So dahil kay Ma'am Joyce yan, no. Napakinggan ko na siya kaya medyo hasabayan ko yung kanta na to. So tuloy natin, Repa Pits.
I did love is slowly killing me. So don't tell me it's wrong, 'cause it's not. I don't trust nobody to put up these walls. They just wanna use me until I'm dried up. Fake faces come and go, and I don't know where I should go, 'cause I got no place to go.
Diba mga Repa Pits, no? Kung anong nai-imagine nyo dito sa kanta na to? Ako ang nai-imagine ko talaga dito is yung banda, no? Maganda to pag tinamahan ng ba? Tapos siya yung vocalista, as kumakanta siya ng hawak yung stand ng mic, di ba? Yung talagang gigil na gigil. Di ba? Kung sa SB19 may rapper, no? Sa SB19 may rapper, no, which is si Pablo at si Josh Callen, no? Ito naman is yung rockers, no, rocksta ng SB19, di ba? Kanya-kanya sila lang di ba? Ng genre, di ba? Tapos si Estel is talagang may choreographer ng sayaw nila na dance choreographer at the same time yung main vocalista nila, no. Tapos si Justin yung may ano ba si Justin? May pinaka-cute na mukha. And then let's go natin to. Let's go. Come and go.
It goes back and forth, the same conversations. I'm so sick of these fake smiling faces. People want you just because you made it. So tired of it all. And it goes back and forth, the same conversations.
Saan kayang lugar to, no? Tingnan natin nga kung saan lugar to. Kung saan lugar yung mismong pinakang background video niya nito, no? Hanapin lang natin location. Ayun, Malaysia. Unit location. Sa Malaysia. Tarlac. Ano yung Tarlac unit? Unit location San Vicente. Ba't dalawa? Location San Vicente. Location wait lang mali yata ako So, Malaysia or sa Tarlac? Anyway, ayan. Tuloy natin ito Repa Pits, no? Tinignan ko lang.
Tired of it all. And it goes back and forth, the same conversations. I'm so sick of these fake smiling faces. People want you just because you made it. So tired of it all. So don't tell me it's wrong, 'cause it's not. I don't trust nobody to put up these walls. They just want
Old time radio yung gantong effects, no? Pag ganito na.
not. I don't trust nobody to put up these walls. They just wanna use me until I'm dried up. Fake faces come and go.
Comment nyo nga Repa Pits kung ano yung nai-imagine nyo dun sa boses ni kasi ako parang may banda ko na nai-imagine dito sa kanta na to, no? Sa boses din ni Pelip dito Repa Pits.
Until I'm dried up, fake faces come and go. And I don't
Tumakbo na!
where I should go, 'cause I got no place to call a home. Fake faces
Come and go! Napagod, tumakbo si Pelip, napagod. What's up mga sisiw? Diba? Si Pelip. Like natin yung pinaka-video. Automatic yan basta si Pelip. Umaandar yung views, Repa Pits, no? Kanina 84 lang, ngayon 86,000 na. Number 21 pa rin sa trending. Alright, so kung gusto mong i-sound trip to mga Repa Pits, pumunta ka ng description. Yung pinaka-link niya, i-click mo yan para direkto makapunta ka sa video na to. Mapanood mo diretso, walang cut. This time kasi reaction video, kaya kinat-cut natin. Okay, so kung nagustuhan mo rin yung video na to, paki-like naman yan. And the same time, kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, paki-subscribe na rin yung channel ko. Click notification bell para ma-update kita kada may lalabas akong gantong klaseng reaction video. Hanggang sa muli, marami pong salamat. This is Dogs GTB. Peace and I'm out. Yeah.